Zach Pagoff here, and welcome back to another lesson video. Today, I will be going over the 24-1 work together. So let's jump right into the video. Okay, so as I had stated before, I'm going to be going over the 24-1 work together. In the last video, I read over the 24-1 text. If you did miss that video for any reason, please click the link in the description. But anyway, today I will be going over the 24-1 work together, where we will be journalizing international sales transactions. So the instructions say the cash receipts and general journals for Marlin Exports Limited are given in the working papers. Your instructor will guide you through the following examples. Number 1. Using the current year, journalize the following international sales on page 9 of a cash receipts journal and page 5 of a general journal. Sales tax is not charged on these sales. Source documents are abbreviated as follows: Memorandum M, Time Draft TD, Receipt R. Alright, so as you can see here, we are given 3 transactions, and they are dated on May 1st, 5th, and 9th. And number 2 is asking us to prove and rule the cash receipts journal. Okay, so now that I've read over the instructions, let's jump right into the 24-1 work together. Alrighty, so now we're going to be moving on to the 24-1 work together, in which we will be journalizing international sales transactions. Alright, so that is the end of the 24-1 Work Together. In the next video, I will be going over the 24-2 Text. Okay? Thank you.